Casino burned early Tuesday morning. This is video taken by a Pahrump television photographer just minutes after it started. Investigators think a propane tank explosion in the kitchen may have caused it. Some of the employees, they're beginning to move on, but some are back on the job at the casino. 13 Inside Las Vegas reporter Dave McCaw is in Pahrump with their inside story. Dave.
Yeah, Ross, you showed us that fire. You can see the devastation right here, but a lot of those employees are actually back to work, not at other casinos, but right here. Let me show you over here. This is the trailers they have set up. On 6-hour shifts, these workers have signed up to actually work security out here. But this job is just a temporary job. It won't last forever.
All from my kitchen. Grease fire.
The kitchen where they cooked and the cage where they counted change, all gone. Temporary trailer is about the only thing resembling a workplace at the Mountain View tonight.
It's like I feel like my life's in limbo. I don't know where I'm going, what I'm doing.
Some employees are back here working security, keeping the curious out of there.
I don't want to see this place burn down, but if it did, I don't mind coming down and looking at it. You know, it's human nature, I guess.
They look like insurance adjusters there.
They are, talking to owners. The slot machine company's here too, collecting what's left.
Those machines needed to be burnt up.
I went to Terrible's for gas yesterday and opened up my coin purse to get some change out, and I saw that Mountain View token in my purse, and I was like, oh my God.
This morning I'm getting ready for work, and I go to getting ready to come here, and I go to grab an apron like I'm going to work.
Soon reality set in. There is no more work here. Soon they won't even need security. They'll all have to move on.
Hopefully I'll get something there, and if not, I don't know what I'll do.
That goes for loyal customers too.
They weren't just customers, they were our family.
Boy, that really is a shame. That's a mess.
Yeah, well, the good news on this is that no one was hurt inside this fire. But we heard there was a 100-gallon fish tank in there. Unfortunately, they lost all the fish. And I've been told that there was actually a cat who lived here at the Mountain View, and that cat survived the fire. So that's the good news from out here at the Mountain View Casino in Pahrump. I'm Dave McCaw, 13 Inside Las Vegas.